Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be using Stackable's wireframes to create a pricing grid in WordPress. To get started, let's open up a blank page, and to do that, there's two ways. If you're logged in and on your website, you'll have this top toolbar. Hover over New and click on Page. Alternatively, if you end up on your dashboard, hover over to your left-hand sidebar down to Pages and click on Add New Page. Once we're here, let's type in a title to keep things organized. And let's go ahead and enter the design library by opening the block inserter here, top left corner, and scrolling down under Stackable to design library. Just drag and drop that into your workspace. We can close this to give ourselves some more room to work with and click on Open Design Library. Now, it might open on these other tabs, but we want to navigate to wireframes, and it's a good thing that these wireframes are arranged, organized according to their use. So why would you want to make a pricing grid, pricing section? Let's say you have a bunch of options for services or courses, like what we're going to do for today. And let's go ahead and use one of these. So I'll select this one, and we should have our options over here. So let's say we want to name this and let's say starter pack refresher course complete plan, and this one is advanced. All right, let's just keep it at that, and then we can change all of these typography options just by clicking on this and changing the fonts. Right. We can also change the size as well as the text color to make it more interesting. And for this one, we can change the icon by typing something like 1. Okay, that's good. And then let's change the icon color for this. And then we can change the price, okay, just by typing in here 3. And then these ones, let's put it in here, 99. Okay, and then we have features here, so good. Hopefully it allows us to type things. Good for. Okay, and then this one, we can duplicate, and then we can have easy follow. And then for here, we have our button here. And then we can just change our colors here with this. We can make it blue. I'll probably change up the style a bit and go with the button colors. Text color, make it white. There we go. And then for this column over here, this pricing box, let's go ahead and add a background to this to make it stand out. And then for this one, I'm going to make this quote-unquote the best value. So let's click on this pricing box and give it yellowish color, make it stand out. And I'll flesh these out one by one and save you the boredom. Okay, we fleshed these out and customized them a little bit. Let's go ahead and click on Publish and take a look at how it looks like on our live site. Okay, let's click on View Page, and this is our Stackable wireframe pricing grid in WordPress. So it's an easy way. We don't have to build these up one by one. If we wanted more, we can go ahead and click on duplicate over here, and we can add more. Oops, we can add more. We just have to fill in the blanks, the features and the buttons. We just have to link those ourselves. But otherwise, we don't have to think, and we just have to fill everything in. So there's your stackable wireframe pricing grid. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.